Good morning, Stage 2 students. Today we will be learning about multiplication when using an array. So an array is an arrangement of objects, patterns, rows and columns. We will mainly be focusing on rows in multiplication. For example, I have here 3 rows of 2. I have already circled it for you. There's your 3 rows and they're in groups of 2, which means 3 times 2 equals 6. That is your mathematical equation when using times tables. Now if you were to look at it in a landscape's perspective, it is now 2 rows of 3, which I've circled again. 1, 2, there's your 2 rows of 3, which becomes 2 times 3 equals 6. So if we were to flip both of these around, they're still the exact same, they both equal 6, except this one is your 3 times tables, and this one here is your 2 times tables. Now if we were to look at it in another perspective, we've got 5 rows of 2, which equal 10, which I've circled again for you already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your 5 rows, and they're in groups of 2, which is 5 times 2 equals 10. Then if we were to look at it in a landscape's perspective, again, we have 2 rows of 5, which I've circled. There's your 2 rows, and they're in groups of 5. So 2 times 5 equals 10. This one here is your 5 times tables, and this one here is your 2 times tables, but they both equal 10. This one here is 5 times 2, and this one here is 2 times 5, so they both equal 10, and when flipped around, they're both the exact same. Now, for your mental warm-up, I want you to match the arrays with the correct one. So I've circled them here for you. So for example, this one here is 3 rows of 4, which equal 12, which is 3 times 4, that equals 12. And it matches down to the bottom one, which is 4 rows of 3, which equal 12, which is 4 times 3, which then equals 12. Make sure you write the equation, and then good luck.